Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, December the 29th, 2023, last working day of the year 2023. Not so good news today because we have only two regular puzzles, the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have 2 days to go till end of the year. We have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's additional. Yeah, yesterday we have 3 puzzles left. I will show you. But let me check first in today's newspaper. No, really don't. We have no extra puzzles. Okay, here we have the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. 3 puzzles are left. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku. These 3 puzzles I will do in the evening. But let me start with the regular puzzles. Medium Sudoku number 7699. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional year, this will be a two stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see. Put this here. Yeah, alright. Now I can continue. Which number can I pick? How about the 9 in this row. First row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this row? Last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column should be the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in that column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this row should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this row. For number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about yeah. I need a 1 here. And I need I'm thinking 9944 333. Yeah, I'm still thinking 6 6 3 6 3 and a 4. Well. 7. Yeah. I'm stuck. Come on. Need a 3 there. 7, 8, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6. And I need a 6 here. Thinking. Yeah. Got you. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So that last column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Overlook this 3. Need a 3 here then. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next on the last column. Now only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 in the last row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4. A should be there. Alright. Okay. Do we have all 4s? Yeah. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4, A should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there, alright. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, okay. 7 and 1. 7 and 1. Come on. 6, 1 and 5. Think. 3, 9. Yeah. 2, 7, and 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. And now. Now. Let me see. 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the first row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in that row, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay, 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. Need a 1, need a 8, need a 5. Alright, 7, need a 7 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here, 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, the 7 and the 6 in this first column, the 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 6 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Okay. Alright. And now. How about yeah. 2, 3, 4. How about the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 2 missing numbers in this column. The second column, those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 1. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, the 7 goes there, and 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Talk too much in the beginning. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.